I am just about to log into my investment platform. Like I said before, this is the Robinhood platform. And so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And right here, I can see my home page where everything is housed. And this is just a demonstration account that I've made that doesn't have any money in it. But I'm going to show you how to understand stocks. And so you can see there's different stocks on the side right here, and then there's this popular collections icon. And I'm going to go to the 100 most popular stocks. You might see some of these that are familiar: Apple, Ford, and Disney. So let's take a look at Disney. Now, the first thing that comes up is this map, and it's this graph of Disney's performance. And below on here is how you navigate the time length that you're looking at. And so this is what it did today in the stock market. And what I usually look at is I'll look at Disney over the 1 year span and 5 year span and just see what's happening in the big picture with the stock. And as you can see, around February was when the stock went way down because of the uncertainty with the coronavirus. Sad face, Disneyland, Disney World shut down. And then you can even see when Disney Plus came out earlier this year too. And so navigate these and look at what you've seen in the past and where it could take the stock in the future. So now I'm going to scroll down, and there's a lot of different numbers. And in the platform, you're going to see a lot of different things, but I only want you to focus on three things. And those things are the 52-week high, 52-week low, and the dividend yield. And the 52-week high is the highest price that the stock has been over the past year. The 52-week low is the lowest price that the stock has been in this past year. And basically what a stock is it's an investment that you put into the company that they return that investment towards you over the period of time that you own the stock. So it's actually buying, and you get to be the proud owner of part of Disney. And you can tell all your friends that. So the next thing, so you've looked at these two things. The next thing that I want you to look at that's important to understand about a stock is the dividend yield. And for this stock, it's 1.87, which stands for 1.87%, which means that every year you get paid 1.7% of the stock price. And of course, that's always changing, but it's going to be around that range. And so it's just an added bonus for you make that money, but then say as we recover from the unsure times that we're in right now, say the price of the stock goes up in the future, that's another way that the stock becomes more valuable, and it's more money for you to be able to have in your pocket. What I encourage you to do while looking at stocks, it can sometimes get confusing because you have all these news things and you have analyst ratings and all this different stuff. Buy based on your own convictions and your own experience. And what I mean by that is just think about products that you like yourself. Think about, oh, I've watched Disney Plus, and a lot of my friends are using that right now. So yeah, I think Netflix is in trouble, and I think I'm gonna buy some Disney because of that new product. And so make that decision, and then you just go over to the side. It's similar on all platforms where you just order the number of shares that you would like. And so the cost of each share of this company is $99. So say I want to buy 2 shares. That's $200 for 2 shares of Disney. And then you'll go ahead and review order and purchase those stocks. And then that stock is yours to buy and hold and receive dividends, or buy and sell later. It's really up to you. But this is just a great way to understand these stocks, and just a great way to think about them is to buy what you know. And that's what that's what my investment teacher in college always said. Buy what you know, buy what you know, buy what you've experienced before, and connect it to an experience.